If you're using an old piece of computer machine or you have received an old computer from your relative, you must be dealing with an aged computer. Now the question is if you can do something about it. Well, you can. This means that computer does slow down as it ages, but a lot of things are reversible in the process. If hardware is creating problems, then it could be clogged vents, fans, heat sinks, leading to thermal throttling. On the software front, the story is different. The software installations, addition or removal of games, use system to execute to bloat that ultimately strains the machine. Also, if you double up the load on PC, it might become slower 2 to 4 times. However, let us now find out the fixes to try when the computer is slowed down. So first, you remove unused applications and games from your computer. Be mindful about which programs are installed on your computer and if they are really useful to you. It is also better to be judicious about downloading those apps which are not going to stay permanent in your system. Now when you're ready to uninstall the applications, it is better to use a proper uninstaller because if you uninstall a large application manually, it leaves behind the debris which is difficult to clear. Remember that. Then software updates. We often overlook software updates thinking it's a minor thing, but it does leave an impact on your computer. But I have personally seen that new increments or versions of software helps in resolving bugs and improve the performance of the applications. That's why I also recommend you to keep Systreak Software Updater in your computer because it automatically updates all the software and you don't need to do any back and forth for smooth functioning of the applications. Alright, next is the startup apps and services. Everything that runs during startup of Windows computer may become permanent load for your machine in the future. So even though you can think that adding memory may resolve problems, but the easier solution is to open Task Manager and tweak the settings. One of the best things that Task Manager can do for you is to manage the startup items in the Windows when Windows start up. Next is for system cleaning and hygiene. Temporary files and junk are known to clutter your machine. We all know that. Now, any good software like Advanced System Optimizer or other can help you delete files selectively. You can certainly do it manually, but I recommend you not to delete any file without knowing its use or else you may shade the base system. It is also important to take care of removing malware and virus either by inbuilt malware removal or downloading a third-party application. And importantly, next is to system file repair. It is just worth your time to run checkdisk for scanning errors by typing sfc/scan now, as it will test, validate and repair any system files that is buggy or slow. In the end, you can certainly, I would say, clean and format your machine and reinstall it with Windows once again. But do try these methods that I have shared with you for best output of your system. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more such interesting videos.